How to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your Sweatcoins to Sweat Wallet. So let's begin. First, launch your Sweatcoin, and after you launch it, you will see that the steps that you have achieved today. And after you see that, you will be able to go to this option right here. Tap on this icon. After you tap on it, you will get redirected to the balance section. Now under here, you will see that the more you walk, the more sweat coins you gain. After you tap on this icon right here, and it will redirect you to Sweat Wallet. If you don't have a Sweat Wallet account yet, you can create it, and it's really simple. So after you're on your this page right here, you will see your valuation of your sweat coins. Now you don't really need to do anything, just tap on it and you'll get redirected to your sweat wallet. And after you're here, you can simply check your balance here, and yeah, it's mostly automatic. On the top you can see how much your sweat coin is worth and how many steps you need to take to get a single sweat coin. So yeah, that is basically how you can transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.